Hi guys, Cindy here. So today I got my LashyBox in last night and I was excited about it and anxious to see it. So let's do it. It looks like inside. It looks like this is some mascara. I'm not going to use that because I use lashes. We got some lash glue. This is black. Some lashes. These are called Midnight. Some Lola lashes. We might wear these today. They're kind of pretty. Right here it is. It's called Good Day Sunflower. We got this again. It's a different, got the brown and stuff. We got some Ruby May lashes. These are style Star. LashyBox lashes called Daydream. So we're not going to get too creative. We're just going to use the neutral. I don't know. So we'll just go neutral today. I think I'm going to have to change my top though. Something a little bit more, go with brown. Pink, well, this gray is not going to though. It's got a little bit of gold shimmer here. I don't know if I'm in the mood for that. Me and the orange just don't get along. These colors to try to help it out. So no, I'm not liking this. This is the second month they did this brand and they've been all the same colors for the most part, yellow and mustardy color. I don't know what would make them think someone would need two of those. A bonus, so I'm just helping this out with something else. Since there's really only two usable colors in that. So this is their LashyBox adhesive in the black. So we're going to give this a try. Let's hold it in case I do a video. I'm having problems with So I'm not feeling like I look very good today. I didn't really like the palette. My eyes are watering. My hair looks bad. We might just have to put it up in little cliffies today. Let's see the back of it. Adhesive. We got 1, 2, 3. Did we just get 3 pair of glasses? Hold on. I'll have to find that. There might be 4. So this LashyBox, as far as I'm concerned, I do like the lashes. I think I'm gonna like the adhesive. If I used mascara, that would be good. I will try to make a short out of this. I have problems making shorts because I need to stay in the center and I can't. Put a little powder, take some shine off. This should come in a day or two. Okay, let's try the hair a little bit more. So, if y'all have any ideas about the hair, let me know. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Before we go, let's recap. We got these lashes that we're wearing. We've got this lashes. We got these Ruby May lashes. And we've got these lashes, LashyBox lashes. And so we got one mascara and We got some adhesive, brown or black, and we got this palette that I don't like. So y'all be good, and I'll see you next month for the next LashyBox. And thank you for watching. And bye-bye.